The Blueprint.
An absolute must-see.
Now, first of all, I want to welcome you all to what? Michigan. That's what recruits want for Christmas. We on the list again. Stay tuned, keep your eyes glued, make sure you listen in. John Reeves is doing this thing, the Blueprint gets it in.
Welcome to the Blueprint Show. Who could possibly have it better than us? Nobody. That's right. Nobody. Feels good. You know, it's a great day. Every day is a great day. You know why? Because it's one day closer to kickoff of Team 138 with 110,000 screaming and cheering on America's best football team, whether it's college or pro, the University of Michigan. Woo! Who could have it better? Nobody. We really mean that. That's why we say it. People try to mock us and all of that. It don't matter. But listen, I'm excited. What a weekend for Michigan. Y'all don't even know what a weekend. Mark this weekend that just passed down with Michigan. Had some amazing talent up there, you know, for Michigan on the visit. You know, I was texting, you know, I had the family. I missed the camps, you know, a lot of talent at the camps. I missed the camps because I had a family vacation planned. You know, me and the wife took the boys out. You know, we had a trip planned that I had to make it and wasn't able to make the camps, but I was texting and I talked to Coach Jabari Williams, who the 7-on-7 coach of Jamie Sherwood and David Reese while they were on their visit. We talked Friday, we talked Saturday. I also was texting Noel Kane, you know, and David to see how the visit was going because, you know, I'm a Michigan man. I got to know what's going on, baby. So anyway, we was talking, they was loving it. They was walking me through each process, how Michigan turned it up. And matter of fact, I interviewed Jabari Williams, me and Zeke on our radio show. You can check it in the link below. I'll put that up on YouTube, so it's right there in the description as well. And we was talking about that, you know, talking about different things, that how the visit went with the boys, and it's just exciting. But I asked them who stood out, you know, because every visit, you know, is different for every family, every recruit that comes, and it's always somebody different. Sometimes it's Mama Gwen, she stands out. Sometimes it's David Bush, senior, you know, sometimes it's different people. So I asked Coach Jabari, who was it that stood out this trip, you know, and he said for everybody, it was the strength and conditioning coach, none other than Kevin Tolbert. He stood out to him. Matter of fact, he said he stood out so much. You hear the interview. I don't want to give too much of it away, but he said it stood out so much that David ended up calling his mom and was like, yo, you're going to love talking to Coach Kevin Tolbert. And, you know, it really just clicked for the boys. You know, Noah had a phenomenal time. His good friend committed Charles. It was just a great weekend. You know, we had those guys. You know, Michigan made a great impression on them. And you definitely get an official visit, Michigan, from those guys when the time comes. But, you know, hey, I'm just excited, man. I'm just full. It's just so much. Also caught up with a stud player, #1 player in Mississippi, Nakobe Dean. We talked to his coach, Coach Boyette, and listen, that's my man. He's right here, man. We hit it off right away. Michigan offered him Saturday, and really excited to see where this is going to go. But I'm telling you right now, Michigan is right there. Michigan is in it. I know you guys talking about Michigan hasn't got a player out of Mississippi since who knows when. Well, I know when. It was Jeremy LaSure, I'm sorry. And guess what? Coach Boyette was his coach. Hey, so take that for what it's worth. If we do trivia, hey, that's the answer. Who was the only coach to send 2 players out of Mississippi to Michigan? Come on now. Heard what I said, 2 players, right? Yeah, Coach Boyette. Shout out to him, and it was great. But listen, today I want to give you my 5 breakout players for this Team 138 on defense, and then tomorrow I'll give you 5 for the offense. You know what I'm saying? Because I see Michigan finishing it with at least 10 wins. We're going to keep that going, and they'll be right there in the thick of it for the Big Ten championship. That's my prediction. Everybody been emailing, texting, commenting on YouTube videos here. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's right. I'm on operation to get 10,000. Rome wasn't built in a day. Neither was the Blueprint. Every day is a different day. We're working. We're building it. You know, and each year we're introducing something new. And this year we got the television show. So I'm really excited about that. But hit that subscribe button for me, and let's get 100 likes. I like getting 100 likes. It motivates me to do these videos. Let me know that you love me back. You know, that's your way of saying I love you back, right? You know, and if you can comment go blue today, give me a go blue in the comments. Let's get 1 million go blues going. And I just love you guys for your participation and interaction here on this blooper, but I'm gonna keep it going, Blueprint channel right here. You know, so thank you, yours truly. I'm not editing that. You know, I'm keeping it raw, keeping it real. I don't have a script. I just go off the heart. I go off the passion. But anyway, without further ado, my first breakout player, bam, you see it right here on the screen, Rashawn Gary. This is the man child. What can I say? Rashawn has literally put this team and defense on his back, and he wants the pressure of it. He thrives in the pressure moments. Double team him, triple team him. Nothing will stop Rashawn Gary from being one of my breakout players this season as he leads this Michigan defense, and I don't see any fall off. Next up, Bush Jr. He will be an impact player. His father, Devin Sr., has won at every level, and you can rest assured that Jr. is following his father's footsteps. Hard-hitting playmaker. The kid just have dog in him. Devin Bush Jr. will bring the pain this season and beyond. He's my second breakout player on defense for the Michigan team, 138 this year. Next up, Khaleke Hudson, the safety, the Viper. I said it when Michigan recruited him that this will be Jabril Peppers' replacement. The kid is an amazing athlete and a playmaker. I expect a breakthrough breakout season for Hudson this year. And also, next up, without further ado, we're going to keep it in the Devin Bush Sr. family. My man, Josh Metellus, another one of Bush Sr.'s kids. And guess what? You can't coach dog, and this kid has dog in him as well. I don't know what Coach Bush is teaching his kids, but one thing I love about them, all of them are hard-hitting playmakers, and they got dog in them. They bring the pain. Josh is a big-time hitter and playmaker, and I expect a breakout season for Josh with no fall-offs on his defense. I mean, it's more speed out there with these guys, and also we're going to keep it moving with my fifth choice for a breakout player this year on defense is Chase Winovich. He's thriving in his Don Brown system, and I expect Chase to take it to the next level, and he's going to go to that next level because Chase's performance this year will determine how big that check is he get on the next level, which is the NFL. That's right, I said it. Chase going pro. We know it. He's playing for these pro coaches. He's thriving in his system. Each year he's taking a step, and I see Chase Winovich as being a breakout player as well for this Michigan defense. Tomorrow I'll break down my 5 players on offense. You don't want to miss it. My 5 breakout players on this Michigan offense. And again, I see Michigan having another 10-win season and contending for the Big Ten championship. Hey, I talked enough. I'm really excited. Can't wait to talk to you tomorrow about my top 5 offensive breakout players for Michigan. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a go blue below. And listen, what an exciting week for Michigan. And be sure to listen to those 2 interviews. We interviewed Nakobe Dean's coach, Coach Boyette. You got to check that right there in the description. We also interviewed Coach Jabari Williams, the 707 coach of Jamie Sherwood and David Reese. You don't want to miss it. It's right there in the description. Hey, until next time, this is your man, Michigan Man Ray, saying go blue.
Be sure to catch the Blueprint Show with Michigan Man Ray every Monday.